Hi, today I'd like to show you how to make a Korean pancake with the leftover vegetables in your refrigerator. Sometimes you have a lot of vegetable leftover, so we Koreans just get rid of them by making pancakes or stew. So let me show you, okay? So these are the ingredients. This one is the only one I bought it from the grocery mart. You can find this in any frozen fish section. What it is a frozen clam meat. So it says fully cooked, keep frozen. I thawed it out. So I have one zucchini from my friend's backyard and few yellow and red pepper, two eggs, and this is shishiro pepper. Actually, it's wrinkly pepper. Koreans call it gwari pepper. So this is shiitake mushroom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, this is the only thing I have left over in my refrigerator. And this is green onion, two bunch of green onion. This is half teaspoon of salt and half cup of cornstarch, 1.5 cup of general purpose flour. So let me prepare it and then show you, okay? So now I washed and sliced all the ingredients. As you can see, this is green onion, shishiro pepper, kind of wilted from sitting in my refrigerator for a while. These black seeds, you don't have to worry about it. They are not harmful or affect any flavor. And this is the zucchini. It's pepper, shiitake mushroom. And this is the clam. And the salt, starch, and flour. And what we do is we will put all these ingredients into the bowl. Well, let's make the pancake mix first. Pancake mix, you put flours and cornstarch and put 2 eggs in it. Some water. Then beat it. Oh, we gotta put salt. That's all the ingredient you need for pancake mix. So the egg yolk makes flour mixture color a little bit prettier than without it. And also it makes the pancake mixture softer. So you need to beat it so there won't be any flour clumps. But this is a little too thick. We need to make this pancake mix in the consistency of crepes. So you need it very thin. Yeah? Yeah, it's kind of watery, but you can, there's some stickiness to it. See? Yep. And that's it. Then what you do is you mix everything together into the pancake mix. Vegetable. Then make your hand dirty. Mix it really, really good. So what we need is the pancake mix coating these materials evenly, like that. Yeah. Okay. Okay, my pan is properly heated, and let's put some oil. I like this squirter because if I use the oil bottle, it's gonna pour out and it's not good. So let's mix it up again because the dough mixture falls down to the bottom, so you constantly want to mix it. Then get one scoop, put it in the middle. Oh yeah. You tap it down so it'll spread out to the middle sides. And when there's empty spots like this, you just scoop the liquid and fill it. When you tap it down like this, it'll, move away from the center and spread out and make it thin. That's what we want. And now we want to wait until, the sides become hard, cooked like this. If you flip too soon, it's gonna all break apart. So you have to be a little bit patient and make sure the temperature is like in the middle so it's not gonna burn it. Okay, let's flip it big. We gotta so you wanna pat it down. First pancake is always a little bit less perfect. I don't know why. Maybe because the pan was not heated properly or, something. Let's see if I can flip it. Yeah. So we want to brown it, golden brown. So this is getting browned, but a little bit more. Oops. So there you go. This carbon steel pan is a little bit heavy. So after you're done one pancake, you have to squirt more oil. And don't forget to mix it. When I was a kid, back in my hometown, when there's a big village event like a wedding or someone's birthday, whole village people get together and make a huge amount of this Korean pancake. Well, they call it jeon. So many of ladies would sit together and make a jeon in many different pans, and everybody make a different jeon with a different ingredient, and they would use rendered pork belly fat, and I don't know what's about pork belly fat. It was so good that jeon was just highlight of the big party preparation. So it's such a easy food to make, and it's delicious and healthy. So try with your friends or by yourself, and invite your friends and have a beer with it. Yep, ugly last pancake. It is done, and let's go try it out. Yeah. So I was able to make 5 pancakes with the material I showed you, and you can't eat it all in one setting unless you have 4 or 5 friends invited. So you can freeze them. You put individual pancake in a foil and freeze them, then heat up on a pan again later and eat that. So anyway, I am all by myself. I'm gonna have to invite my daughter later to take some, and but for now, let's try one. So, you know, a lot of people they cut it really pretty to present nicely, but it's always better taste if you just tear it with the chopstick. And I am eating with the soy sauce, vinegar, and chili pepper powder. So let's try. Mm. So Korean pancake making is much easier than it looks. And there's nothing to it except chop up some ingredients and mix up some flour dough and cook it. How easy can it be? But it's so much better tasting than its effort. You owe it to yourself to try it out. And you'll be so glad that you did. Well, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.